All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to open up the door on the side of the GoPro. To find the door, face the camera towards you. It'll be on the left side. You'll notice this little latch at the bottom. And I'm going to turn the camera over so this will be easier for you guys to see. What you need to do is put your thumbnail in this little latch and push it this way. So I'm going to push it. You're going to see it pop off. And then I'm going to pull it this way. Now I want you to notice something about this. This right here expands. You see how that expands? So it's got a little bit of a thing that pulls it back. And you'll look on here, you're going to see there's little grooves in here. And then if you look down here, you see those grooves? So that's what holds it in there. And that tension that's on that keeps that door closed tight. Inside of here, you've got your battery, you've got your SD card, and you've got your USB-C charging port where you plug in your cord to charge the battery. You could also remove the battery and charge it in a charging station, if you have multiple batteries. But now to close it, I want you to look at this. So see how it just kind of comes down like that? And then all really I have to do is push it, watch. And bam, it's done. And now it's closed and it's ready to go. So to open it, get your thumb in there, pop it, grab it, pull it, and then you see those little catches right there? And there they are there. Comes back, squeeze it, push it, and it's done. And that's it. That's how that door works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on the GoPro Hero 10 Black. Peace out.